Running a hotel successfully means juggling a wide range of responsibilities, from managing reservations and front desk operations to coordinating housekeeping, handling billing, maintaining occupancy rates, and delivering excellent guest service. Doing all this manually or with outdated systems can slow you down, increase errors, and limit your ability to adapt to today's competitive hospitality industry. Hotelogix is designed to solve these challenges. It's a cloud based hotel management system that gives hoteliers complete control over their operations in one central platform. Whether you manage a boutique inn, a city hotel, a large resort, or even multiple properties, Hotelogix helps you streamline every aspect of your business while staying connected to major booking channels and maintaining real time oversight of all operations. In this video, we'll explore the key features and benefits that make Hotelogic stand out in 2025, explain why it's a great choice for hotels of all sizes, and wrap up with a clear conclusion on how it can elevate your property management to the next level. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the centralized reservation management. Hotelogix brings all your booking sources, direct website reservations, walk-ins, phone bookings, travel agents, and online travel agencies like Booking.com, Expedia, and Agoda into a single dashboard. This unified view ensures that your availability is always accurate and automatically updated across every channel. This prevents overbooking and double booking, which can damage your reputation and frustrate guests. It also means staff spend less time switching between different systems, improving efficiency and response times. Another key feature is the integrated front desk operations. The front desk is the heart of hotel operations, and Hotelogix equips your team with a real-time view of room status, guest profiles, and pending tasks. From managing check-ins and check-outs to handling payments, issuing receipts, and processing special requests, everything is accessible in one place. This creates a smoother workflow, reduces the time guests spend waiting, and ensures that every interaction feels professional and seamless. Guests enjoy faster service, and your staff can focus more on creating memorable experiences. Another key feature is the multi channel distribution and OTA integration. Hotelogix connects directly to OTAs and global distribution systems through its channel manager. When you update rates or availability in Hotelogix, those changes are instantly reflected across all connected platforms. This real-time synchronization prevents rate discrepancies, avoids booking conflicts, and maximizes your property's visibility online. More exposure means more booking, helping you achieve higher occupancy rates throughout the year. Another key feature is the housekeeping and maintenance management. Hotelogix lets your housekeeping and maintenance teams update room status and task progress directly from mobile devices. Supervisors can assign tasks, track completion, and ensure rooms are ready for the next guest without unnecessary delays. Guests get clean, well prepared rooms faster, and maintenance issues are addressed before they become guest complaints. Another key feature is the real time reporting and analytics. Hotelogix offers detailed reporting on bookings, occupancy rates, revenue, guest demographics, and seasonal trends. These insights can be accessed anytime, from anywhere, thanks to its cloud-based architecture. With accurate, real-time data, you can adjust pricing strategies, identify growth opportunities, reduce costs, and make smarter business decisions. So why is Hotelistics a great choice? In today's hospitality landscape, efficiency and guest satisfaction are equally important. Hotelistics brings both together by offering a single platform where every department, reservations, front desk, housekeeping, and management works in sync. Because it's cloud-based, Hotelistics can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're in the office, at home, or traveling, you can monitor performance, approve rate changes, and even manage bookings without being physically present at the property. It's also a scalable system, which means it grows with your business. A small independent hotel can start with the basics, while larger properties can add advanced modules like banquet management, point of sale integration, or loyalty programs as needed. Automation is another major strength. Tasks that would otherwise take hours, like updating room availability across channels or compiling performance reports, are done instantly. This frees up staff time, reduces errors, and ensures operations run smoothly even during peak seasons. Finally, its user-friendly interface shortens the learning curve for new employees. So basically, Hotelistics isn't just a reservation system. It's a full hospitality management solution. By centralizing bookings, integrating front desk operations, connecting to OTAs, streamlining housekeeping, and providing powerful analytics, it gives hoteliers the control they need to operate efficiently while enhancing the guest experience. So whether you run a single property or multiple locations, Hotelistics allows you to stay on top of your business from anywhere in the world. So if you're looking for a flexible, reliable, and future-ready hotel management system in 2025, Hotelistics is a platform worth serious consideration. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.